Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollarz, and today I'm going to be playing in my Tiny Tuesday Savings Challenge binder. If you are new here, all of these savings challenges go towards funding my sinking funds for next month, specifically the ones for my daughter. And the way we do this is I roll a die, and whatever number it lands on, that challenge gets 2 bills. So here we go. I have $35 here today. I have one buyback 5. If we finish all of these challenges today, we're going to save an extra $30. I don't know where it's going to come from, but we're going to do it. In that way, we shut the box with these savings challenges. I don't have any money in my secret stash today, so it would all be, so that money would have to come from somewhere else. So I'm not really sure, but we will figure it out. So how are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are having a good Tuesday. We are getting so many 5s rolled right now. Goodness gracious, we definitely have enough in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for that buyback 5. Okay. 3, 1, 2. All right. So yeah, I hope you guys are having a great Tuesday. I am getting back in the swing of things this week. Filming a little bit more, less ahead of schedule than I would like because I was out of town this past weekend and things kind of got away from me, so I'm trying to catch up a little bit. All right, this first challenge is by Bookish Mama Budgets, and we got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Each crown is worth 2. So we can color in 2 of these. So I have Aria with me this week, so I was very excited to pick her up from school today and see her and hear about how she's been doing. All right, so in this challenge, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9? Why do we have 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I guess we have a rollover one. Okay. All right, this next challenge is by Greta at Agape Book Club, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each skull is 2, so we can color in 2 of these. And then we'll have a rollover one for this as well. So I drove up to Kentucky on Saturday, and spent the night with my friend. Saw her play on Sunday at like 3 p.m. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We have 4 here that we needed. So we finished this one, yay. Oops, it's the 9th. And yeah. All right, so we finished this with 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and $12. All right, so that's our first finished challenge. Next, we have Budgeting with Lisandra, and each one of these paws is worth 1. So we can color in 2 of these. So my friend was phenomenal in her play that she did. She was doing an adaptation of Clue, and she was playing Wadsworth, the butler, and she was so fun, and I loved seeing her in it. I was so proud of her. She did such an amazing job, and I really wish I could see it again, but unfortunately I don't think I can drive up there this weekend and go see it. But all right, so this challenge by Teacher Mom Budgets, we need 4, and we got way more than that. 1, 2, 3, well, we got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Oh my goodness, you guys, we got 16 in just this one. So we just needed 4 to finish this with $8. So let's put the rest of this in our stash over here. All right, that's our second finished challenge today. All right, and then we have this one by Plan to Save Designs, which got $2, and we needed 10. So let's use this 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we will finish this one. So this one should have saved us 30. So let's see what we got. We got 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay. That's for our third finished challenge of the day. Okay, let's see what else we can do. This one needs 2, so we could do 2 right there. This one needs 4, we could do 4 right there. This one needs 6, so I think we're only going to be able to finish 2 today, guys. So we got 4, no, this one needs 3, because it had a rollover one. That one needs 2, and I guess we can fill in another skull with this one. Okay, so that's what we'll do. So this one, we're finishing. So we should have 12 in here. Let me just make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, this one needed 2, so we can finish this. And this has 8. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. And then this one, we can color in 1 more. So we didn't quite shut the box this time, you guys, with our Tuesday challenges, but we came awfully close. Maybe next time. All right, so this one is staying for next week. We finished 2 more. All right, here we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 challenges finished today, guys. That is pretty cool. Pretty cool. All of these are going into our savings bag for our October. Why do I keep doing that? We are already in September. It doesn't feel like it. So all of these are going in here for the month of October, and we will reallocate everything at the end of the month. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a like, thumbs up it, and hit that notification bell so you can see every single one of my videos. I appreciate you watching, and I will see you tomorrow for our scratch and save binder. Bye!